Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Today we are going to see banana plant or lamp decoration. So this can be reused and this is made out of kitchen towel roll. So let's get started. This can be adjusted to any sized diya or banana plant. It looks so good, right? So let's see how to make this. Here I am going to take a trace of elephant and then cut using X-Acto knife on a cardboard, and then I'm going to use mixed media paste. You can also use white acrylic paint as well. I'm adding this mixed media paste to give it a strong base. You can use any design color of your choice. I'm using elephant here. I'm also covering the edges. I am now going to cut this kitchen roll into half. You can also use wallpaper rolls if you want to make a bigger size ones. I am using X-Acto knife. You can also use scissors to cut them. I'll also trim the edges using scissors. Now I am applying a coat of white base coat. You can use acrylic color. Now I am applying red color to the elephant. Now the elephant is dried. I am also using this foam sheet, the gold one. You can also use paint and paint it. I am using Fevicryl and trying to stick them onto the elephant. This acts as a cloth on top of the elephant. And also for the legs I am going to stick small pieces. And then I made the eyes using the white acrylic paint. You can make more complicated designs, intricate designs to make it look more real. I'm going to cut this kitchen roll on one side. This will act as a opening to insert into diya or plantation. That's the banana plants. Yeah, it's ready. It's so easy, right? Very quick, and you can use this on any festival. It's ready to use. So like this you just attach it. So I have attached it to the diya and showed it. You can also use this on the banana plantation. Isn't this idea very creative? If you like our channel content, please like, share and subscribe. For more such videos, support us. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.